Hello everyone, my name is Fatima and today we're going to talk about one of the famous places here in Taguig City. And that famous place is the Bonifacio Global City. Bonifacio Global City is also known as BGC, Global City, and the Fort. BGC is the financial business district in Taguig, Metro Manila. The BGC is located in the southeast of the city, Manila. Now, it's time to talk about the history of Bonifacio Global City. During the American colonial period, the US government acquired a 25.78 square kilometer property within what was the disputed area between Makati, Taguig, and Pateros for military purposes. The area was then turned into a camp then known as Fort William McKinley after the 25th US President William McKinley. The buildings. With its amazing history, BGC also has a lot of buildings behind it. Pacific Plaza was the first ever building to be built in BGC. It was built in year 2000 and was opened on February 22, 2001. Ayala Land, which includes Ayala Land Premier, Alveo Land Corp, and Avida Land Corp. It was able to integrate several infrastructures, namely Sendra on 2004, Market on 2003, Bonifacio High Street Central on 2012. Of course, BGC won't also miss out on the amazing art that you can see in their parks and their buildings, like this 3D LED screen on the middle of the street. I hope you guys enjoyed listening and learned something from my multimedia presentation. Once again, my name is Fatima and thank you for listening. See you guys next time.